They say, "Fool, you ain't gon' make it." I say, "Cool, let's bet that." I think I'm destined to be great, been put through hella setbacks. She started screaming, "It's too tight." I said, "It's cool, I stretch that." And I don't really. What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Cowboy CJ, and I'm back again with another video, man. Today, gonna be a little different. It's gonna be a little spend a day with me. I mean, but it's like 5:30. I don't know why I looked at my wrist like I got a watch on. I always got my watch on. But I'm finna go hop in the shower. But yeah, it's like 5:30 right now. I'm finna hop in the shower real quick, pull up on my dog Psycho Cuts, so go get a slice. You heard me, your boy. But yeah, I'm finna go hop in the shower right now real quick. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so y'all won't miss when I drop my bangers. And that's about it. I'm turning y'all back on when I'm getting ready and finna pull up on my dog, man. Alright, man, we just get to the barbershop, man. Pulling up on my boy to get sliced as usual. Yeah, man, finna walk in here, get this cut. Cause your boy need a cut bad, you heard me? But we finna walk in here now. Shit, them boys on, man. Shit, them boys on. Stupid. Where this bitch, man? Say look good to the Lord, yeah. Big shit. Just finna get sliced real quick. I'm gonna turn y'all back over to the bit at bad.
The building. No.
Psycho. Geico.
Yo, I didn't call you Geico. We got CJ in the building, man. My dog just cut his dreads. He had the high top. Now he got the blow out. He blew out.
Yeah, bro, I don't know, bro.
I guess we gonna make it work. Fresh tape. Not up the beard. Oh, shut up. My stupid ass for myself.
Oh.
Yeah, we got
You're a
CJ.
bot.
Big bot. We got CJ in the building. I don't know if y'all boys remember, but CJ had like a drop top type of a sky top.
Yeah, we had the hot
right
top.
here.
Yeah.
He cut it, made it into a
full head.
Full head. I'm about to give him a home. I don't know if you can get a blowout, gang. It look like you might have to get like
a low taper.
A low taper. Line up the beard and then a vibing tape, and you fresh.
Fresh to death. Get it.
That's it. Oh,
shit just got sliced up.
Yo,
you heard me? Just got sliced.
You know.
Little natural and
Yo, damn. Please don't run off with that jury. You might get. Damn.
Hey, I got all your equipment right here. Your camera costs 6 V's. It's gonna be mine. Got the fleet collection. Nah, man, it got me right. Sliced me up, man.
Ain't nobody stealing this shit from you.
Of course not, booty. Alright, y'all, boy. God! Alright, y'all, boys. The cut done. As y'all can tell, the cut done. The cut done. That boy shimmy, man. Finna hop in the whip. Finna hop in the whip. I gotta go to Walmart and get my dog some dog food and a little couple things. Hold on. I know the camera's shaky. But yeah, I gotta go to Walmart and get my dog some dog food. What else? What else she need? I think that's about that. Some dog food. I don't know what else she need, but yeah, my boy sliced me up, got me right, man. Little slice up. I ain't have a cut since April. Since I've been on that cruise. That was the last video I dropped. And that was the last time I had a cut. But yeah, man, my dog got me right with the cut, man. You know, as always, shout out my boy Psycho, man. He gonna always get me right, you heard me? I'll turn y'all back on when I'm walking in Walmart. What's going on YouTube, man? So I know probably the last clip I told you I was gonna turn y'all back on when I get to Walmart. But Walmart lines was too long and I didn't feel like recording. Like literally everywhere, every line was long, bro. Like from
from the goddamn, yo, who boxes in the street? See, Miami crazy, bro. I see why GTA finna be in Miami, cause why is it draws in the middle of the street, bro? But yeah, lines was long everywhere. The garden area, the electronics section, just lines was everywhere, bro. So I ain't feel like recording none of that. So right now it's July 3rd, you know, fireworks, all that tomorrow. Trying to find some fireworks, pulling up to my little local spot to see what they got out here. You know, ain't nothing too crazy. They all set up right here under the tent and all that. But I'm finna see what they got. See if I'm finna cop something. And yeah, that about. See what they got. I might get some, might not, I don't know. But I'm finna see what they got right now. See if they got something good. If they don't, I don't know. I might go somewhere else, bro. I'm finna see what they got, dude. Like, finna see what they got over here, bro. Oh man, my car not in park. What you mean? You dumbass car, bro. The fuck? Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. So we did caught some fireworks. We gonna bust some fireworks tomorrow, man, for the 4th. You know, bro. But like, we really the new adults, bro. Like, I remember when I just had to show up and pop fireworks. Now we gotta buy fireworks, bro. Like, what is this, bro? Buying fireworks is crazy, bro. Where my mom at? Like, dang. But it's for the kids, though. Like, I thought I was the kid. I'm buying fireworks for kids. What is this, man? Like, bro, I just caught these fireworks, bro, and like, they better wait the block up. They better go kaboom, bow, kabow. I'm about to drop a nuke on Russia. Hey, I'll take that back. But nah, bro, like, excuse me, my bad, y'all. But yeah, though, bro, like, I just caught these fireworks, bro. Let me show y'all, bro. Let me show y'all these fireworks. Like, look at these fireworks, bro. This pack was $125. Like, bro, I know that's cheap. Cause he was showing me packs that was like $250. Talking about these the good ones. So what, the 125 was better be good too. What you mean, boy? Hey, but nah though. I might make it another video for tomorrow. I'm not sure. But yeah, man. I ain't doing nothing else. I was supposed to go to work, but since 4th of July tomorrow, they say we leaving early at 2 o'clock, and it's already 12:30, so they told me don't come. Hey, don't mind if I do. We got bills due tomorrow. Hey, y'all better start building y'all credit, man. Credit gonna save you, boy. I'm telling you. Your credit will save you, boy. But yeah, like, back to what I was saying, like, bro, we really the real adults now, bro. Like, we really adults, bro. We the new generation adults, bro. Like, I want to tell y'all what I got in mind, but I don't want to tell y'all until, like, at least part 1 of it happens. So I'm gonna keep that a secret until at least the first part happens. Then I'll let y'all know what I got in mind, maybe like 2-3 videos after. But yeah, man, y'all run these videos up. Y'all boys help me get I just had a brain freeze. I know what I'm talking about. I need help getting what's that thing? YouTube page, whatever it's called. Y'all gonna have to wait on me, young boy, old man. Can't drive, bro. But yeah, like, bro, we really the new adults, bro. Like, we gotta spend big purchases. But you know, Miami, bro, everybody hustling, so like, I feel like that was a cool deal on them fireworks compared to what they would have been at an actual fireworks store. They got another fireworks stand right there. Let me show you. Another fireworks stand right there, bro. Like, I just left one and now another one right there. Like, how that work? But yeah, though, like, bro, I'm still on this. Like, we the new adults, bro. I'ma keep saying that. We is the new adults. Just spent $125 on this box, this whatever. And yeah, bro, like, that got me kind of mad. $125 on some fireworks, bro. Like, look at that. They posted up over there. They probably ain't got no bustos. They ain't had no bustos. They got a big Penske truck. Like, bro, we're the new adults, bro. We the new adults, bro. It's crazy, bro. Like, it's really crazy, bro. Really crazy. Bro, we really the new adults. What's going on, y'all boys, man? It's your boy Cowboy CJ, and I'm back again. This the 4th of July night, man. And I ain't gonna lie, shit get wicked out here. Everybody popping their fireworks, everything. But yeah, we just finna get started. We just put the fireworks out the car. I know y'all hear that. But yeah, we just got started. We out here. Everybody popping their fireworks. Trying to see if I can catch some. Can't catch no fireworks. But yeah, man, I'm gonna turn y'all back on once everybody get here. And we all got all that big shit out, man. Peace. They dropped the nuke over there. We dead. Ty, yeah. Go get some more. Bring some more. What's wrong with you?
Alright.
Yo, we can't even see you. You just look oily, like. Put it down. No, Minute Man. It one nut. Huh? I'm up.
That scared me.
That be called Minute Man. Gonna bust in a minute.
No, been there, done that, man. It's a one and done.
Come on over there, bro.
No,
I'm so hot.
No, you was busy.
You finna take the stem off. Like that, bro.
That don't. You're not now.
Where is that? I just.
Oh, it's right there. Oh. Everybody get back. I ain't got no
I'm gonna
insurance for
burn my
nobody.
damn self.
Ah! Ah! Hell no, that's for last.
Can't lie.
That's
That's for when the niggas
6?
come.
That's
Yeah.
towards the end.
Yeah.
So y'all like got a whole setup.
Oh.
Yeah.
My thoughts
Light it.
are gonna be full, but I don't.
42 shots, I ain't gonna lie.
100 shots.
Move the other ones, bro. Come on, man.
Wait, hold on, wait.
Well, why they back to back like that?
Wait for 'em.
They better stop playing crazy. What? 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 We got bucked. Zo, we got bucked. Zo, they bucked us. What?
That's it.
Nate. Nate, we got bucked, homie.
That's it.
That said 42.
That's it. I'm not sure that's it.
We got scammed.
That's it. That was like about 10. I thought y'all said 42.
We got scammed. They said that was 42. That was like 10.
Or 10.
They cheating.
They lying. Why
They lied to us. They said that was 42 shot. That was like 21. The hell? Just robbed them.
Yes.
Can I get
Oh,
it?
I got a flash.
No, like the.
We just hit a lick on them boys.
Like shit.
Yeah, I do got
We
it.
coming up, not coming down.
Where's mine?
This shit was 350, y'all boys.
Alex, don't piss me
This shit was 350, y'all boys. Yeah. Yeah? You look like the Christmas. We the old heads of the generation now. We buying bike rates for the community.
Can't lie, we the old heads.
Gee, this generation cook if we the old heads. Them young niggas got switches now.
We over here popping fireworks, they popping switches.
But yeah, like,
What's up?
we got some more. Say what's good to the vlog.
What's up? You better subscribe or follow.
Guns.
You better comment.
Not actual. No violence, guys. No violence.
You said the what? She talking about y'all don't got the guns.
No violence.
This is all we got.
Let's pop 3 at one time.
Yeah, 3.
3 at one time. We won't blow up.
Let's die.
We won't blow up.
Where they even
Let's die.
open up at?
Right here.
Let's die.
Right here.
Y'all, we finna die.
And right here.
Come on. Grenade out! Gotta watch out for you, nigga. Gang. What the fuck killed mosquitoes? Hold the camera, bro.
Tight shit.
Cameraman. Ah.
Hey, I'm finna throw some boom, bro.
Let me do it.
Vibe, bro. Just vibe.
Let me do it.
Toss it.
Let me do it. I gotta do it for the video. Let me do it.
Cameraman, do these.
Bitch, you take it then.
Tight shit. Yo,
Hey, look. Take it down.
Yo, you supposed to, hey, use this. It's better.
Wait.
Like, put it in there. Put it in there, then light the
Fuck
string.
tube.
Hell yeah. What you mean? Give me the tube.
It's better, bro.
No, it's not, bro.
So what we doing?
Running. Or no, he gonna just throw it away.
We supposed to like reuse the tube, by the way.
Hey, get the fuck.
Let me see.
Dead eye.
Black ass people. Live life on the edge. YOLO. He slapped the camera. Oh.
What's this?
Put a light that bitch in her head.
We're going in that field.
Yeah.
Check me out.
We need some light out here, bro.
Hold on, Ali, don't light it yet.
Scary ass.
Oh!
Man, I do that shit in my sleep. Grenade out! I knew that shit was coming this way. What you doing, cameraman? You don't supposed to run. Y'all niggas don't die. Black, that bitch gonna get you in your back.
Oh, this shit broke.
Boom. I think they're gonna shoot still.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
What is that jit talking about? How many you gonna take?
Like 17.
Oh. All right, y'all boy, we currently finna crash out.
How'd you come back?
We currently finna crash out, I ain't gonna lie. What up, twin?
Don't do it, you're gonna die.
a long ass tube. Don't do it.
Y'all boys see this? If I put it in the tube, I'm gay.
That's gay. Cut that out.
Nah. That's what they say?
Yeah.
What it say?
It said if you put it in the tube, you gay. You not gay?
Wherever it is.
I'm gay.
My niggas are gay.
What?
Oh, I know what this is. Hey, back the fuck up.
I can't get in the hole, y'all boy.
Next to it, okay.
Cameramans don't die.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna hold it too.
Ready? You got it? Alright, man. Let you like this one, bro.
Y'all boy ready?
Bro, I can't run, bro.
Y'all boys better back up for that shit.
Some little foot shit. Y'all boy.
No, what the fuck?
Man, fuck that too. I'm launching this shit.
That's what I'm saying.
You got that, huh?
What if we fly this way? We dead.
Everybody got the way. Fuck it.
Y'all better run to the car.
Everybody move out the fucking way.
That shit like fast, gang.
The next day, the motherfucker was dead.
Ow! Ow! So y'all, I'm a dumb as hell. We living life on the edge, 2024, nigga.
Alright, chill, bro. You don't know how to throw shit for real.
Grenade out. Why you leaning for it?
That boy's scared.
Not that bitch. I don't know where it's going. Ah! Tight shit. Yeah, boy, we just out here having fun. You know.
My nigga, throw that bitch in the hoop. No. Like, move at the same time. Hold on.
Nah. You wildin', Jay. We finna die.
We don't know what them shit's going on.
Alright, ready?
Live life on the edge. Fuck it.
YOLO. Already did that. Damn! Oh! Let's go!
I laugh for the blow a hole in the fucking thing.
Ah! Oh. This shit got a BBL. That boy, I lost it.
I don't know what it do.
I did that already.
Sure. I'm taking a picture of this shit.
I'm so mad. Pussy.
My nigga, put this in a hole.
Bro, I just did that. What you?
I'm about to light the whole shit up. This is a big one. What that is, Tony? Bro, what that box at? Nobody over there, right?
Yeah, your ass finna start a wildfire again.
My nigga, my crib over here.
Fuck your house.
Why would you just say, shut the fuck up?
Ooh.
Ain't gonna lie, y'all boys. You wanna go like this bitch?
Come on. Let me see that. Niggas want me to do the dumb shit, bro.
Let's go.
You want me to just light it right now?
Oh, no. Yo, chill out. Go blow that hand away, jit.
Look at the court.
What the fuck?
What is they? This bitch says it's gonna go beyond.
I'll take a shoot up.
There's 4 different colors in here. Let's go, y'all, boy.
Oh shit. Get back. Let's see what's going on.
Go ahead. Back, please.
Get your ass out the way, Jit.
G shit, your ass in the firework. You want me to light your ass up? Oh shit. What you running for? You bitch? Hell yeah! Then why you go back?
I'll go do a jump front flip over that bitch.
Do it. Put the cash out right now. 20?
Jump over it.
Jump over it. You see that shit? No. We see it, we lit it.
That shit came a little too close. My nigga,
What that bumper clock? That goofy ass horn.
my nigga, I'm still mad as shit because I don't know what.
That's what I'm saying. Fuck me on that money, bitch. What the? Oh. Rose, what that one firework that you pulled out?
What I light her up?
The big one.
What about?
I don't know. I don't know which one the box. Yo! What the bumper clock? That yee horn. Bro, where is that box at? Let's go. Yeah, boys, that shit on fire.
What the fuck is in this box, cuz?
Good, the Kakashin.
Look, guys.
Hey, bro, what the fuck you got going?
Niggas is not lighting up.
I really don't give a fuck. You see this bitch in the box?
You could light it like that. But y'all keep throwing the box. The box don't supposed to be thrown. Light that bitch right there. I'm gonna boot that hoe. As soon as it get lit.
Wait.
I've been in that field. We.
That shit ain't going nowhere.
Made sure I gotta put it out.
I don't know, I tried.
Yo! Like, kick that shit.
Watch out! That was Ali dumbass.
That's what I'm saying.
Fuck these dumbass fireworks.
I'm about to hold this shit in my hand.
A lot. Alla Baghdad. Oh. Wow.
I'm scared.
Wow.
Wait, how you did this?
Wow. Whoa.
Everybody dog. Oh, like I could hit a J. Oh, shit.
Just move like that.
They don't do that, bro. That's a smoker like for kids. I'm about to give them one. Oh, yeah, I'm about to light one.
Why didn't you just light it with the new one that you got?
Oh.
Niggas is dumb.
What the kids at?
They ran.
Type shit, let me see one. Black, you wanna play?
I swear to God, boy.
Ah! Black. Oh! Niggas killing the worms and shit, bro. Like, long live them fucking ants. Wow!
They're trying to compete.
Oh!
I don't know what this do, but it's like a tube.
Yeah, boy.
You can't run.
We finna,
I got sandals on.
we finna like some big shit, y'all boys.
Hold on, wait.
Fuck me on that money, bitch.
How they doing?
Fuck me on that money, bitch.
You better back up, nigga.
Yes, it did. Alright, y'all boys. This has been a long guy day. I'm hot as hell. Got this ski on. I don't know why. But make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Make sure, hope y'all boys enjoy this video, man. A little T something different. But I'm out.